What do the various dashboard warning lights on the 2022 Ford E-450 mean? How can you identify critical alerts from standard notifications? This guide explains the key indicators helping you stand their functions and ensure your vehicle's safety. Stay informed and drive with confidence. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning lamp, anti-lock brake system, cruise control indicator, battery, engine coolant temperature, warning lamp, direction indicator, engine oil pressure, warning lamp, malfunction indicator lamp, fasten seatbelt warning lamp, tow haul indicator, liftgate ajar, trail control, parking brake, warning lamp, low fuel level warning lamp, powertrain warning lamp, stability control and traction control indicator, stability control and traction control off warning lamp, low washer fluid, tire pressure monitoring system warning lamp, adaptive cruise control indicator. Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2, scanner for diagnostic. Stay informed on the road with advanced instrument cluster and warning indicator lights. If this guide on lights indicator diagram helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.